This stunning home is located in a quiet cul-de-sac within walking distance to Al Faisal School, dual living with a 3-bedroom home and a teenager's retreat on my right with an above-the-ground pool, perfect for a growing family. Let's take you through. This stunning outdoor entertainment area is perfect for the family with a level backyard, above the ground pool and a stunning deck, perfect for family entertainment.